Okay, once again, welcome back to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Session number 3, MS PowerPoint. PowerPoint is used to explain a concept effectively using animations. In this video, you will learn how to prepare slides, how to add animations, and how to add a hyperlink. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student 2016, both are licensed versions, and free open source screen recorder software. Let me go back to the folder which we are having in Personal E. We are having Class 10 Mathematics. Here I will open these PowerPoint presentations. Let me open a PPT, new Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Let me type demo. Let me open it. PowerPoint presentation opens now. For starting a slide, you have to go to this new slide. Always select this blank one. It is always advisable to select the blank one where you can add any type of animations later. And not only that, background should be, if it is white, it is very clear for anybody who is seeing it. But I am going to this white now. Now you can go on adding slides. Suppose I am adding a new slide. I am adding a new slide. Okay, you can go on adding the slide. Let us go to the first slide now. Here you cannot type just like that as you are doing it in MS Word. You have to go to Insert. You have to go for this text box and you have to type it. The text box can be expanded. Suppose if you type directly, no problem. Otherwise, if the cursor is not coming, press F2. Press F2 to get the cursor. Now, whatever you have typed, you can bold it. You can change its color and you can give, and you can change its size also. Okay. And you can put anywhere you want. Now, copying any image is very easy in PowerPoint. I am going for an image now. In PISA image I will take. I have opened in google.co.in. I typed only PISA test online. I got this image. Okay, copy the image and then come back to this demo and then paste it. Okay, now you got it. Now it is moving now. You can reduce its size and you can turn it also as you want. Okay, now let us see how to give animations. Okay, for that I am going for one slide already I have prepared. I am copying it and I am pasting it in demo. For pasting it, you can go to this sorter. Wherever you want to paste, you simply paste it by pressing Ctrl V or simply paste it. Now it got pasted now. Now it can be moved anywhere here. Okay. Now you can move as per your convenience. Now it is the second slide now. Now I am going to give animation to this slide. Go to this animation. No animation is there. Now remember that you have to remember which text should come first, which should come later. Now normally the heading should come first. Therefore I am selecting this. I am selecting it. I am selecting it. Now multiple selection can be done by pressing Shift. For I am giving animation fly in. It flies. Now if you want it to fly from the left, you can give like this also. You can have it flying from the top also. Now you can adjust it. For the second one, I am also giving fly in. And I want it to be from left. Okay. Now the third one I am giving as a split. The fourth one I am giving it as something like zoom. Okay, it is zoom. Okay. Now suppose by mistake, this is coming 1, 2, 3, 4. By mistake, these two are done wrongly. You have to go to animation pan. Suppose these 4 should come in the front. You have to simply select it. You have to select it. It will get highlighted over here. Press this up. It will go to the up. Now you are seeing over here now. What will happen to it now? 2 okay, but 4. Then after that you are getting 3. Now once again this, if you want to bring it down, I brought it down. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. It is over now. If you want to see how this animation happened for this particular slide, here you are having a slideshow. You click it and you can press the space bar or enter or any arrow to get the text moving from one after the other. Press escape to come back. Now I told you that how to give animations. Now let us see how to give hyperlink. For that I am going to this insert, go to this shape. So many shapes are there. The lines are there, rectangle, basic shape, basic arrow. You please come down at the end. You are having action button. These are all action button. The name itself tells you that when you press it, some action will happen. Now but remember, if you just put anything and you give any hyperlink, it will work. But for our convenience, if you are using an video, you will use this icon. When you are using a audio, you will use this icon. When you use a document, give a hyperlink to a document, you will click this icon. Okay, now I will tell you that how to give a hyperlink to internet. For that I will use this I. I stands for information. Come and click it over here. Immediately it will ask what are the settings. For that, go to the hyperlink. The hyperlink can be given to anything: previous slide, first slide, last slide, custom show slide, other PowerPoint presentation. Other file means any other document, just like PDF or Word file, whatever you want to show. But I will type this URL. Okay, before I go for that, I will just type this URL. Before I go for that, I have already opened one URL over here. This is actually the PISA test, that OECD website. You copy this, simply copy this, Control C, and then come over here, and then in the demo you just paste it. I have pasted it now. It is enough if you have only one HTTPS, and then click OK. Now you click OK. Now it has come over here now, and for that also I can give a kind of animation. I can give it as grow and turn. It grows and turns. Okay, now let us see how it works now. Okay, before we go for that, let me close this because already it is open in the browser. Okay, now let me go for how it works. Okay, now it comes now. Now after explaining everything, you can show it to the children now by just clicking it. Suppose if it is connected with the internet, automatically that internet file will open. Now it is opening now for you. Now when you just after discussing it, you can close it and you can come back to this resume slideshow. Automatically the slideshow will resume. Is it okay now? Okay, now let us recollect what we have seen now. We have seen how to open a PowerPoint presentation, then how to create text boxes, how to paste an image in a PowerPoint slide, how to insert so many slides, how to give animations to the text, then how to arrange the animations, then how to give a hyperlink. Therefore, let us go for this your work. Open a PowerPoint file in the folder created by you. Then prepare slides on the topic you have selected. You better have minimum 5 slides and give animation to the text boxes or any kind of images you have created there, and try to add one hyperlink. It may be to a document or it may be to a URL. Okay, the other sessions will be continued in the next videos.